Want to create captivating videos that show both your screen and your reactions, all on your Mac? First, open QuickTime Player, which comes pre-installed on every Mac. You can find it in your Applications folder, or by using Spotlight Search. Once QuickTime is open, look at the menu bar at the very top of your screen and click on File. In the File menu, select New Movie Recording. This will open your webcam and show your face. Now, to record your screen alongside your face, go back to the File menu again. This time, select New Screen Recording. A small recording toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen. Before you start recording, click on Options in the toolbar. This is important. Here, under Microphone, make sure you select Built-in Microphone so your voice is recorded. Also, I recommend checking Show Mouse Clicks in Recording. It helps viewers follow your actions. Underneath Options, select Camera, and choose your desired camera source. Select the float on top option to make sure your camera always shows. Lastly, select Save to and choose where you'd like your video saved. Now, click the Record button in the toolbar. You can choose to record your entire screen, or just a selected portion. Once you've selected your recording area, click Start Recording. Now both your screen and your face are being recorded. When you're finished, click the Stop Recording icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. QuickTime will then open your recording, ready for you to watch, edit or share. That's it. Now you can easily create engaging tutorials, reaction videos, and more, all on your Mac. Good luck.